Hello, Creations Landscape Designs Company. My name is Eddie Medina and I work with Boundless SEO and we're a digital marketing agency. Thank you for giving us the green light to send this video to you guys. I was told Rama would be the correct person to watch this, so Rama, I hope you're watching. I figured I'll shoot a quick video to give you 3 tips on how you can improve your website and beat out your competition online. I'm sure you're super busy. I won't waste too much of your time, so I'll keep this super short. If by the end of this video you are interested in our strategies, please give me a call so we can further chat. If not, no harm, no foul. You can take this video as educational and try it yourself. Just be very careful if you do. Also, if you're working with an SEO agency or planning on working with an SEO agency, this video will help you on what protocols to look for. In addition, I will show you what you have currently going on your background and comparing it with one of your competitors. All right, let's get into it. The 3 things I like to go over is your content, backlinks, and citation. Looks like this is your website here. Good information in regards to your company, the services you provide, easy navigation. All the links seem to be working just fine. Typically, you want to see around 1,500 words of text content. This will, of course, improve relevance to the services that you offer and a level of trust inside of Google for a better ranking. In that 1,500 words of content, you really want to start inserting keywords organically without any stuffing. Just keep in mind, Google needs to see the keywords on your page, and these keywords must be visible to your users. The easy approach is to either create content around your keywords or naturally wave your keywords into the page. Any attempt to go bonkers with your keywords will look horrible and may set off spam filters in search engines. Use your keywords naturally throughout the content. Repeating your keywords once or twice is more than enough. So you really want to avoid that. Believe it or not, Google algorithms search for more of a natural feel of a website. What I mean by keywords specifically is buyer intent keywords. How I found you was with the keyword landscaping Costa Mesa, California, or another option would be landscaping Orange County. These keywords have a high volume of search inside of Google search engines. This is pretty much how we found you. Let's jump into Arrows here real quick. This is a paid tool. It's a cool tool to have. If you go to arrows.com, don't mind paying for this platform. Set up your account. This is a good monitoring tool to see what you have going on behind the scenes of your website. Organic keywords on your website looks like you have just 1. There's no traffic going onto your website, unfortunately. Referring domains 1 and backlinks 1. Let's begin with backlinks here. Let me explain a little bit on this. When you think of the website, it's easy to imagine there are numerous websites linking to one another, right? Well, a backlink is just that. So it's a website that's sending traffic to your website via a URL or hyperlink. Please be aware, though, that not all backlinks are created equal. If you add a backlink to your website that has nothing to do with your industry or services, this can actually hurt your website. You might want to be careful on that. The backlinks are your URL level here, which is only 1. It's not it's not a lot of backlinks here. However, the DR meter will fall under the citations group. A citation is essentially your company's business name, address, and phone number listed throughout the web in different directories. A directory would be something like Yelp, Angie's List, or Yellow Pages. Really any of those websites out there that allows business owners to list business information and services to create a new avenue for people to reach them for their services. That is what a citation is. The DR meter falls under the citation referring domains here. So you're at 19 now. You really want to increase these so you can boost up your website on the UR and DR meter. Also, you want to keep this in a 1-to-1 ratio. That is very good under Google's authority. This will improve relevance to your website and will boost up on Google's platform. Finally, if a website is lacking keywords, backlinks, and citations, that site is not really gaining any boost, which of course leads to missing out on opportunities, calls and leads, and all that good stuff. This is one of your competitors here, actually, Bill and Dave's Landscape Maintenance. This is their website here, fairly good website also. Looking at their background, what they have going on their background of their website, referring domains 54, backlinks 203, organic keywords 333, organic traffic In a monthly basis, they're getting over 300 people jumping onto their websites. Their DR meter is 7, no UR, so the backlinks, this pretty much means that the current backlinks are no good. It's not a matter of quantity, it's more of a matter of quality. You got to buy those high authority backlinks. The referring domains, which fall under their citations, they're only at a 54, and it's not giving them enough boost here. So this is beatable overall. They are getting good traffic though. Might want to jump into the this protocol and build out a website if you ever are interested in. Hopefully this has been informative and educational for you. I really hope you got a lot out of this. If you need more information or have any questions, give me a call, text, or send me an email. If it's only a website you like, or both website and SEO, give me a call. Let me know what you think. Hope to hear from you soon. Thank you. Bye-bye.